this wall right here is my power tool wall, and it's got my miter saw, my joiner, my planer, bandsaw, drill press, and a dust collector at the end. This is where all the power tools are. And so before I covered this wall in drywall, I ran 4-inch PVC through the wall for dust collection. And then there's a port that comes out of the wall at 4 inches. It needs to come out and go into a blast gate like this one, which is something I picked up at Rockler, and then go to whatever, type of hose would connect to the tool. I've got several of these. That's 2 inches on each side. This is from a previous iteration of my dust collection when I had reduced down to 2 inches coming out of the wall. I changed my mind on that, and now I need more of the kind that's 4 inches on one side, 2 inches on the other. So yeah, I could drive the 30 minutes out to Rockler. Maybe I could even return some of these. They're not too badly used. But to be honest, I feel kind of stupid buying this cheap plastic stuff, which by the way was not at all cheap, when I can make these, right? And they'll be much, much better. I've heard a lot of complaints about the way these function. The sawdust gets collected down here where it closes, and I've got a plan to do better than that. So let's do it. All right, let's put one of these things together. I've got the 4-inch assembly. This is the one that goes into the wall. So we'll put that down just like that. And here is my gate that will slide over that. And then the final 2-inch goes just like that. So what we need now is 2 walls to encapsulate the gate. Now I didn't cut those with the rest of the stuff because I wanted to get an exact measurement on this width here before I cut them. The other thing I need to do is this needs to be trimmed down a little bit on either side so that it's a nice smooth slide. All right, so let's check that fit now. Good. Beautiful, beautiful. So I've got probably a little less than a 1/16 of an inch on either side of the assembly there. And I have, from another project, I've got some felt. So what I think I'm gonna do is line the sides of this with felt and give it a nice super soft slide. All right, because of the way I designed this, I've got a very tricky glue up here. I probably could have designed it such that the slider didn't get trapped in the assembly at glue up time, but it's all right. So I've got a lot of masking here to keep this from getting glued shut. And so we're gonna put that down first in between these clamps, and then let's make sure I've got this right, yep, and then our slider, and then our output. And now we've got our 2 pieces here. We'll slide down and clamp it up. But first I do need some glue. All right, should be pretty well set at this point. Let's see what we've done.